So today we are going to talk about roll-on. Roll-on is another very easy way of incorporating essential oil in your life. So in this one, so there is a carrier oil and the essential oil all ready to use. So you don't need to think about dilution or anything. So you just unscrew the cap. In here, that's the roll-on. So this is my tester. So you just put it on any warm area, any pulse point. So there, and then you can. So the roll-on can be applied here as well, at the back of the neck, on your wrist, and you can even put it on your feet. If you don't like it on your body, you can just put it on your feet. If you have a spot that you're treating, like an area of your body, you can maximize the effectiveness of the essential oil by placing the essential oil. For example, if I have a headache, putting the oil at the back of my neck might be a very good idea because it will get absorbed. So as well as the smell, I will get the oil inside my body, in the bloodstream, and it will do its own function in there. So try incorporating a roll-on as well in your life. It's such an easy way. You put some oil on your body at night and go to bed, and you wake up in a different state. So try it.